everyone, today we're going to make meatloaf. I have 2 pounds of ground pork. I have 1 egg. Then I have 2 slices of bread that you're just going to want to cut the crust off. And you can either use white or whole wheat, it's up to you. Then I have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I have 2 beef bouillon cubes that I've smashed up. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, about 3 tablespoons of chopped onions, a half teaspoon of oregano, a half teaspoon of salt, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and then you're just going to need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then to put it all together, all you're going to do is you're going to take your ground pork, and then I've cut up my bread just into smaller squares. Then you're going to take your egg, your Worcestershire sauce, your garlic, and your onions. And then you just want to mix this all together. Then all we're going to do is just add all of our spices. So our bouillon, our salt, our oregano, the chili powder, and our black pepper. And then you just want to make sure you mix this really well so you don't have any bites that have any strong flavor. Alright, now that that's mixed together, all you're going to do is you're going to put it in your pan. Make sure you kind of get it patted down and even in there. And then you're just going to bake this at 350 degrees for between 45 minutes and 1 hour. Alright, I just took the meatloaf out of the oven, and all you're going to want to do is take a knife, the tip of a knife, and poke it in and just make sure that the liquid inside is all clear, and then you'll know that it's cooked all the way through. And this is a great meal to have with like some mashed potatoes and gravy and some green beans. Hope you enjoy!